Welcome back. I'd like to say a little bit about the location and the room setup here. First thing is on the location. Getting an office or getting somewhere to work from. There are different possibilities here. It is possible to work from home as long as you can have a room that's reasonably free of clutter. What's really important is that there is very little chance of getting disturbed by children, pets, telephones, whatever. So if you have a room, have the room so that as long as you're doing the session, it's dedicated only to the session and the client with no interruption. Another possibility is to see if you can share a room, maybe with a chiropractor, a massage therapist, or someone who isn't doing exactly the same as you. That's another possibility. Remember, there's a movement of people in and out, so people are finding out about you. Another way maybe to work at a health center or something. What you're trying to do is get it so that you're keeping your costs to a minimum. This is really important. We'll talk later, and I'll put up something later about the 80-20 rule. The idea being that you don't give out more than 20% of what you're earning, because you're in this to make money. Okay, you're helping a lot of people, but the thing is, if you're giving out 80% for making 20, then you're going to go bust pretty quickly and it won't last. So you're going to try to keep the costs down. Another possibility is if you have a friend or something that's doing this course with you and you work together, that is also a possibility. That's quite a good possibility, because it means that you can pool your advertising and do that. So that's also something I would recommend. Really though, keep your costs down. The idea is that you're in this to make money, and you need to keep your costs down, because there'll be good times and there'll be not so good times, especially when you're starting off and you're building your client base. So watch that.